Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Ultra 3 above 50% and power it on so pairing stays stable. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and install the watch's companion app. This app negotiates settings and firmware. Once installed, open the app and grant permissions for location and notifications because the watch uses those to discover devices and sync data. Now, follow the app's prompt to start pairing. You're moving immediately into the device discovery stage. You'll now continue inside the app. Select the Ultra 3 from the list of nearby devices and wait for the pairing code to appear. Confirm the code on both the watch and the phone so the secure link is established. This prevents accidental connections. Once paired, connect the watch to Wi-Fi if prompted so firmware and watch face assets download faster. Make sure to accept updates now, since delaying can block features. After updates finish, the app will guide you through permissions and feature choices. Finish by customizing watch faces, complications, and notification preferences so the Ultra 3 behaves the way you want. Verify health and activity data syncs by launching the app and checking recent readings. Test incoming call and message notifications to confirm real-time delivery. Make sure backups are enabled in the app so settings restore after resets. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart both phone and watch. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, then unpair and repair. That resolves most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.